Hey guys, this is Kevin again from Gray Line Overland, and today we're coming at you from White Mountain Trail. That was the plan anyway. We were just going to do White Mountain. We ended up getting in there and doing Holcomb Creek at the end as a last minute kind of thing, and it was a lot of fun. But it actually had a little bit of an excitement, and we'll get into that a little later. But to get to White Mountain, we actually have to go Grapevine Canyon first, which is 4N16, and then you'll turn left off of Grapevine Canyon onto 3N17, and that'll put you on White Mountain. And then a few more trails and pretty easy meander through the woods, and you'll get to Holcomb Creek, and you can go down there and do that. There's a lot of different trails in this area that you could do, and it's a lot of fun. But Rochelle, that's with us, she decided she wanted to get her badge of honor for Holcomb Creek, so we decided to press on and get that one done. I would say that this trail is very beginner friendly, and it is definitely on the moderate side, but you can definitely do it with a stock Jeep. It would be nice to have lockers, but you don't have to have lockers. But it would definitely make it easier. But anything out here can be gone around that you feel like is a little tough. But it's really not that bad. Just might want to avoid Suicide Hill. That one's a little rough. Hey guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out and helps us to keep this content coming. Thanks guys. Have a good one. See you on the trail.
Man, this trail gets more beautiful as we drive through and go up in elevation. I definitely have enjoyed the scenery on this trail. All the rocks and the mountains and the dusty little roads that go around the corners of a mountain. No matter where we go, we like to explore and take pictures of highest points. Maybe with our toys in the sun, and friendships that have been made. It's definitely a good day. This is my husband. He's the one that usually drives all the time. I fully trust him at the wheel. I've seen him maneuver through trails pretty good. He definitely has taught me a lot. I mean, I definitely don't desire to be the mechanic, but I definitely understand Jeeps a little bit more. We actually did White Mountain today. A few other little off trails as well. But as you see, we made it to Holcomb. I actually drove a couple times on this one, but because we lost the GoPro somewhere, took a little bit of our memories away. But we'll recover. No matter where we go, We always seem to go back to the mountains. That's where we like to be with our Jeep. This place was definitely made for this. And here we are enjoying this bumpy ride that we're willing to take. Or maybe we're willing to take damage just to climb them. Well, whatever the reason, we always go back, no matter the cost. I guess, after all, it's fun, right?
So we're here. We had a little issue on the trail with a lady that was there. She's overheated, and they're actually bringing a helicopter, I think, or the helicopter's trying to locate us. I don't know how this is all going to work out. To tell you the truth, I haven't got a clue. All I know is that we're standing by because the medics are trying to get to her. We tried to just drive out. But when the medics got involved, they wanted us to stop and locate us and get her out themselves, which is going to take twice as much time. But hey, we got to listen to what they say. Anyway, so a little bit of action at the end of the ride today. Take it easy, guys. Be safe. Always take plenty of water. And stay hydrated, because you don't want to end up overheating out here. This is a good example of the fact that you never can have too much water, and you never can drink too much water whenever you're in the heat like this. All right? Thanks, guys. Bye. This is all Rochelle's fault. Rochelle, it's all your fault.
I know, it's all my fault. Listen to me when I say I want to do a trail.
She's the one that wanted to do the extra trail.
I know, but hey, I got my badge.
She got her badge. Whoop, whoop. Lady right here has been trying to kill me.
You did an awesome job.
She is bouncing me all over the place. I now know what it feels like to ride in the passenger side. It is not as fun. There's nowhere to grab hardly. She's doing awesome though, in all honesty. She killed it on that obstacle back there. Ashley, it's your second time. What are you doing now? Are you going to Disneyland?
Absolutely not.
Oh, no Disneyland for her. Hey, this means less money. That's good. More money for Jeep parts. So, to say the least, this is a pretty exciting day. We had a bent drive shaft, a busted off exhaust, and a medical emergency that required helicopters apparently, and 2 different ambulances. But thankfully, we have a medic, Chris Place, or as he's referred to by most people, is Mongo. If it hadn't have been for him, she very well might have died on that trail, and we are really thankful and blessed to have him as a part of our group. And I just want to say again how much we appreciate you, Mongo, and glad to have you out there. And guys, Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, because that's what keeps this stuff coming. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.